channel Eazy Btech. This is Srujana. In the last session, I had discussed about introduction of Python and how to download a Python software, how to install a Python software, identifiers of Python, and finally, I had discussed about keywords of Python. In this session, I would say about data types. So, let's start. What is data type? What is data type? A data type decides which type of data can be stored in variable. A data type decides which type of data can be stored in variable. In Python, we are not required to declare explicitly. So actually, a data type decides which type of data. Either it is a float data, it is a integer data, it is a string data, it is a complex data. We have to declare that data type mandatory in C++, Java, but in Python, we are not required to declare explicitly. Okay? In Python, we are not required to declare explicitly, but C++, Java must and should you have to declare the data type. In Python, there are 14 data types are there. So what are there? Int, float, complex, boolean, string, bytes, byte array, range, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dict, and finally none. These are 14 data types are there in Python. So finally 14 data types are there in Python. And so data types related function. There are two predefined functions are available in data types concept. So type of variable, it is used to identify the data type. ID of variable, to print the address of variable. Type of variable, ID of variable. Let's see the examples of these. So first of all, I would say about type of variable, type predefined function. So for example, I am storing one value to the variable a is equal to 10. A is a whole number. Whole number means it is an integer value. It is an integer value. So type of A means it print integer type. Okay. So for example, A1 is equal to Srujana. I am giving Srujana. So actually, a sequence of characters present within double quotes or single quotes is known as string. So it is a string data type, that is nothing but str. So I want to find out the A1 variable is which data type. A1 variable is which data type. So I have to use these predefined function, that is nothing but type. So str. Like that. S is equal to 90.89. Type of S. It gives float is the answer. Float is the answer. Okay. So type is a predefined. Here A, A1, S are the variables. 10, Srujana 90.89 are the values. Here 10 is a integer value. Srujana is a string value. 90.89 is a float value. So I want to identify these type of variables. Here A type is an integer, A1 is a string type, and S is a float data type. Okay. So these variable must and should it can be stored in some memory location. So I want to view that memory location. So to identify memory allocation, you have to use ID predefined function. ID of A. It gives the address of A. It gives the address of A. A will be stored in this particular address. A is stored in this particular address. ID of A1. ID of A1. ID of A1 means string. It is also stored in some memory location. It will generate that. Again, ID of S. Float. These float value can be stored in some memory location. It displays that memory location. Okay. So, it is the examples of type and ID function. Okay. And the next concept is integer. When we move to the types of data type. The first type is integer. It is used to accept all numbers. It is used to accept all numbers. Is nothing but any number. Either it is in positive number or negative number. It does not have a decimal point. Integer does not have a decimal point. In Python, integral values can be divided into 4 types. That is nothing but decimal form, binary form, octal form, hexadecimal form. So decimal form, so based on 0 to 9. Any number 0 to 9, any number, that is nothing but decimal form. Binary form means 0 1 combination, 0 only 0 1. So binary allows only 0 1. And octal form 0 to 7, base is 8, 0 to 7. Hexadecimal form is nothing but 0 to 15. 0 to 15 means 0 to 9, and 10 to 15 means A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, let's see that. Decimal, binary, octal, hexa. Decimal form, binary form, octal form, hexa form. So decimal form starts with 1. I will give 4-digit number. Binary is 0, 0. Hexa is also 0, 1. What is the binary for 1? 0, 0, 0, 1. And octal is 1. Hexa is also 1. Next one, 2. What is the binary value for 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. Octal is 2. Hexa is also 2. And decimal is 3. 0, 0, 1, 1 is a binary number. 3 is a octal number. And hexa is also 3. 4. 0, 1, 0, 0 is a binary number. 4 octal number. Hexa number is also 4. And next one, 5. 0, 1, 0, 1 is a binary number for 5. 5 octal, hexa 5. Next 6. 0, 1, 1, 0. 6, 6. 7, 0, 1, 1, 7, 7. Okay. Here, see here. Decimal form is 8. And binary is 1, 0, 0. Octal does not allow 8. Octal does not allow 8 because octal supports 0 to 7. Okay. What is the next number? 9. Octal does not allow 9. Then what is the next number? 10. 10, divide that. 1 and 0. Octal allows 1 and octal allows 0 also. So octal doesn't allow 8. Octal doesn't allow 9. Octal allow 10. Because, why? Because 1 is between 0 to 7. 0 is between 0 to 7. That's why next number is 10. Next hexa number is 8. 9. Next decimal number 9. And binary number 1001. So 11 is the answer. Next one is 9. 10. 1010 is a binary number. 12 is an octal number. Here, not 10. Hexa is not 10. 0 to 9. After that, A. Either you have to write capital A or small a. And next one, 11. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 13. B. 12. 1, 1, 0, 0. 14. C is the answer. Next one is 13. 1, 1, 0, 1. 15. D. 14. 1, 1, 1, 0. 16. E. Next number 15. 1, 1, 1, 1. 17 is the answer. And F. If I write another number, that is nothing but 16, I got another digit number 1, 0, 0, 0. Here I don't write 18 because 8 is not allowed in octal. Then go for 19. 19 is also not allowed in octal. Then the next number is 20. Here hexa. After completion of these, then the next number will be 10. Then the next number will be 10. So A to 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. The next number will be 11, 12, so etc. Okay. And next, see here. This is the numbers for octal. These are the number for decimal form, binary form, octal form and hexa form. See here. And the next part is data type, input and output. So for example, I am giving an input A is equal to 10. If I want output of A, just you have to write A here. Automatically it displayed A value. So when I am giving decimal, it will generate decimal value. If I want to give binary input, hexa input, octa input, what you have to do? So you have to follow these rules for input and output. If I want to give decimal value is nothing but all numbers. Decimal value, there is no rule. You have to give directly. If I want to give input or output in binary, octa, hexa, must and should you have to follow these rules that are nothing but input. So binary input you have to give before starting of the number you have to give 0B, 0 small b or 0 capital B. So output is bin of. And the octal number 0 small o or 0 capital O. So next hexa 0 capital X or 0 capital X or 0 small x. Hex is a here hex is a bin is a predefined function, small letters. OCT is also predefined function, small letters. HEX is also predefined function. You have to write HEX in small case. Okay. Let's see an example for binary, octa, hexa. Before that, conversions are there. Integer conversions. Totally 4 types of data, 4 types of their integer values. To convert any other type to decimal. To convert any other type to decimal means binary to decimal, hexa to decimal, octa to decimal, like this. This is the first conversion. This is the first conversion. To convert any other type to decimal. First one is binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. You have to give binary decimal. You have to give binary input and decimal output will be generated. Binary input, decimal output. Binary input, decimal output. See here. I will give binary input. So starting you have to give like this. 0 small b or capital B. 0 being 1001. 1001. Just wait. Zero 1001. 1001. I'm giving here 1001. 1001. What is the decimal number for these binary? That is nothing but 9. Just click on enter button. 9 is generated. Okay, I'm giving another number 0B 1011. 1011. See here. 1011. What is the decimal number for 1011? That is nothing but 11. Just click on enter. 11 will be generated. Okay. And the next conversion, octal to decimal. Octal to decimal. Octal. You have to give an octal number. So octal number 0 O. Either you have to put small o or capital O. 0 O. So I am giving for example 12. 0 O 12. 12. 12. What is the decimal value? That is nothing but 10. Decimal value is 10. Answer is 10. Okay. I am giving another example. 0 either small o. 0 small o. For example, I am giving 8. Octal does not allow 8 or 9. Octal does not allow 8 and 9. Automatically it will generate an error message. Okay. Octal does not support 8 and 9. Next. 0 small o 17. 0 small o 17. What is the 17? Answer is 15. Okay. And the next conversion, hexa to decimal. Hexa to decimal. Give here hexa number 0 small x or capital X. 0 small 10. 0x10. 0x10. Here hexa number is 10. What is the decimal number? Decimal number is 16. This is the answer. 0 small x. E. E means what? E means 14. 14 is generated. This is the first conversion in integer data type. In integer data type, this is the first conversion. To convert any other type to decimal, then the second conversion is to convert any other type to binary. To convert any other type to binary. In this, first one is decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. In first one, decimal to binary. Up to this example, we got answers in decimal point. So we got answers in decimal, but now we have to got answers in binary format. So we have to use bin predefined function. Okay, let's move. Bin of. First of all, you have to convert decimal number to binary. What is the decimal number? For example, I will giving decimal number as 14. What is the decimal number? 14 is a decimal number. What is the binary number? 1110. Then the answer is 0B1110. Answer is 0B1110. Is it right? It will generate binary number. Okay. So second, I am giving another example. 0B8. 8 answer is 1000. 8 answer is 1000. 0B1000 is the answer. So what is the next conversion? Octal to binary. You have to give an octal number and it will generate binary number. So bin of you have to give octal number 0 0 for example 13. 0 13. See here, 13. Then the answer is 1011. 0B 1011 is the answer. Okay. And next one, bin of 0 O 0 O 8. So 8, we got syntax error because octal does not take integer value. Sorry, 8 and 9. Octal does not take 8 and 9. Bin of 0 O 6. What is the binary number for 6? What is the binary number for 6? So it will generate, sorry, BIN. 110. So 110 is the answer. So then move to the next conversion. Hexa to binary. Hexa to binary. So give hexa number and it will generate binary number. Bin of hexa. Give hexa input 0x 0, either small x or capital X, 0xf. F is nothing but 15. Then the answer is 0B 1111. This is the answer. Okay. So I am giving another example. Bin of 0x 0x A. A is nothing but 10. Then the answer is 1010. 1010 is the answer. 1010 is the answer. Okay. This is about second conversion. Okay. To convert any other type to binary. Then we move on to the third conversion. What is the third conversion? To convert any other type to octal. To convert any other type to octal. First one is decimal to octal. I am giving decimal number as input. It generates octal number as output. Decimal to octal. Decimal to octal. For that, we are using OCT predefined function. OCT of what is the input? Input is a decimal form. So, okay, I am giving 8. 8 is a decimal value. And what is the octal for 8? 10. 10 is the answer. See here. 8 is a decimal value. Octal value is 10. Okay. OCT of, I am giving another decimal value. That is nothing but 12. I got 14. Okay. I got 14 as answer. Okay. What is the next conversion? Next conversion is binary to octal. I am giving input as binary. I got output as octal. OCT of, I have to give binary input. So starting with 0B 1010. 1010 is nothing but 10. So now the answer is, I think 12. Yes, 12 is the answer. 0, 12. Okay, again another example. 0B 100 is nothing but 4. 4 is the answer. Okay. And next one. And the next conversion. Hexa to octal. Hexa to octal. Hexa number to octal. So I am giving hexa number as input. It will generate octal number as output. OCT of, what is the hexa value? 0x. 0x. For example, B. 0xb. 13 is the answer. Okay. Next, OCT of 0xd. 0xd. 15 is the answer. Okay. Clear? And we move on to the next conversion. Next conversion. So next conversion is to convert any other data type to hexa. This is the fourth conversion, to convert any other type to hexa. First one is decimal to hexa. Decimal to hexa. Okay, let's see here. Decimal to hexa. You have to give decimal number as input. It will generate hexa number as output. What is the decimal number? For example, I am giving decimal number as 10. What is the hexa for 10? Hexa for 10. Decimal number is 10 and hexa is A. 0xa is the answer. Sorry, hex of 10. 0xa is the answer. Hex of 14. Hex of 14. 0xe is the answer. Okay. 0xe is the answer. The next conversion, to convert any other type to hexa to convert any other type to hexa. In that conversion, the first conversion is decimal to hexa and the next conversion is binary to hexa. Binary to hexa. Hex of, here I want to give binary number as input. 0b 1010. 0b 1010. See here. 0b 1010. This is the binary number and hexa number as input, as hexa number as output, that is nothing but A. Okay. Next one, 0x 0b 1001. 8 is the answer. Sorry, 9 is the answer. Here 9 is the answer. Next one. Next conversion, octal to hexa. Octal to hexa. Hex of, what is the octal number? 0. Either you have to give small o or capital O. 0 o 17. For example, I am giving 17. 17. What is the answer for 17 is F. 0x F is the answer. Hex of 0 o, either capital O or small o, 15. 15. Its gendered. D is the answer. Okay. Here, these are the conversions of integer. Okay. These are the conversions of integer. Okay. So, in previous, integer data type is there. In the integer data type, totally 4 types are there. That are nothing but decimal form, binary form, octal form, hexadecimal form. In these 4 types, conversions will be there. For that conversions, if you want to give binary number as input, must and should you have to give 0 small b or 0 capital B as starting of the number. If you want to generate output in binary format, must and should you have to give a bin predefined function. At the same time, if you want to give input number as octal, must and should you have to give 0 capital O or 0 small o as starting number. And next, if you want to generate an output in octal form, so you have to use a predefined function that is nothing but OCT. And next one, hexadecimal form. In hexadecimal form, if you want to give input as hexadecimal form, must and should you have to write input as starting 0 capital X or 0 small x, and you have to got an answer in hexadecimal form. You have to write predefined function capital HEX. So here capital HEX. So here you have to use small HEX, not capital HEX, small HEX. Okay. Small HEX is a predefined function to generate hexadecimal form. Okay. So here it is a data type of integer data type. I will continue next data type concepts in next session. Okay. Up to now it is clear all of you. Okay. I hope all of you understand up to this topic. Okay. Thanks for watching.